My name is Greg Jones. I'm the CEO of Tutch, an Australian-based software as a service or a SaaS retail platform that's coming to market in the United States. But I'm really excited about the opportunity to be able to bring Tutch from the beaches of Sydney, Australia, into the big city of New York at NRF in January 2024. NRF is a big event. It is our launch event for our company in the United States. We're coming on the back of a fantastic build-up of Tutch over a number of years. Platform built by a retailer for retailers, designed specific to be able to meet the needs of the changing evolution of the retail physical store world, to evolve their store experiences, how to be able to engage with their customers in a more personalized way, as well as enabling their employees to be more informed to be able to best serve their customers as well. It ties into some of the trends that we're going to be seeing around NRF, which, if I look at, again, the physical store, AI and how AI is being enabled. We all know that AI is a journey that everybody is on. So I think it's going to be very exciting to be able to see how AI is being applied and the different types of use cases that we're going to be able to see. Similar to the types of use cases that Tutch is going to be able to bring and is bringing into NRF as well, specific to address the AI, to be AI trends, but more importantly, to help retailers to really look at how to embrace AI, and start on that journey to be able to engage with their customers as well. We've been very excited to be partnering with Beacon Lighting since 2022. To give everybody a little bit of background in relation to who Beacon is, because it's not a household name within the United States, but definitely in Australia, they are the leading specialist retailer for lights and fans and light globes across their network of 100 odd stores that they've got across Australia. Partnership that we've had with Beacon to be able to look at everything from to be honest, kind of the in-store engagement, being able to help Beacon get increase their basket size through enabling transactions within the store with their trade or their contractor portion of the business, being able to look at product training and facilitation for their store associates. So they actually use our platform for in-store training and onboarding, which again is a great use case of what you can do with the Tutch platform. It's not just about the customers, but think about how to enable and engage with those employees. And then clearly looking at being able to look at the AI application as well, and talking about each of those particular use cases that we've got with Beacon. It's very much around the journey, and the partnership that we've got with Beacon is a special one for us, being able to deliver throughout their store network. So really allowing those customers to start their purchase journey as soon as they enter the store, and also extending the range. And what we enable is also retailers to bring their full extent of their inventory together to be able to deliver that at multiple touch points throughout that customer journey as well. We're actually bringing our solution to be part of the Avanade Retail Showcase that will be at NRF. So please come along to the Avanade location at NRF to be able to see the full extent of what Tutch is able to bring.